Welcome to our tutorial on how to change font styles in Messages on Gmail with the latest update. Gmail now allows you to personalize your messages by incorporating special characters and font styles. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Begin by opening the Note app on your Android device. This will serve as a platform to create and customize the special characters or font styles you wish to use in your Gmail message. Step 2. Open your Android keyboard and explore the available special characters or font styles that you may want to incorporate into your message. Once you have found the desired characters or styles, type them out to create your unique name. Step 3. After you are satisfied with the name you have created using special characters or font styles, proceed to copy it. This will allow you to easily transfer the customized name to your Gmail message. Step 4. Open the Gmail app on your Android device. Access your inbox to compose a new message or reply to an existing conversation. Step 5. Tap on the chat icon located at the bottom of the screen to initiate a new chat. Select the desired chat or recipient where you want to send the message with the customized font style. Step 6. Paste the copied characters or font styles into the name field within the chat window. This will display the unique name you created using special characters or font styles. Step 7. Once you have pasted the customized name, tap on the send arrow icon to deliver the message with the personalized font style to the recipient. By following these steps, you can easily change font styles in Messages on Gmail and add a personal touch to your communications. Enhance your messages with creative special characters and font styles to make them more visually appealing and engaging. That's it! You have now learned how to customize font styles in Messages on Gmail using special characters and font styles. Get creative with your messages and stand out with personalized font choices.